Everyone thinks the best-selling Obd2 scanner is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, ANCEL AD310. The ANCEL AD310 Classic Enhanced Universal OBD-II Scanner is a solid choice, priced at just $29.99. What caught my attention is its reputation as a bestseller, with over 64,000 reviews and a 4.6-star rating. If you want a reliable, no-frills code reader, this is worth a serious look. So here's why the AD310 might be what you're searching for. It can read and clear error codes, which is crucial when that pesky check engine light pops up. It's super user-friendly and doesn't require batteries. It draws power directly from your car's OBD-II port. With its compact size, you can easily carry it around or store it in your glove compartment. Plus, it supports all OBD-II protocols, making it compatible with most vehicles from 1996 and newer. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're looking for a straightforward tool that can help you pinpoint emission-related issues, the AD310 has got you covered. Now there's a catch. Some users pointed out that it only diagnoses emission-related issues, so if your check engine light is due to something else, you might be out of luck. But here's the thing. If you just want to know if it's an emissions issue, this scanner is still a great investment. This is perfect for you if you're a DIYer looking for a basic scanner to troubleshoot your car's emissions. Skip this one if you need a more advanced diagnostic tool, but at this price point, it offers great value. Now, if the AD310's limitations bothered you, the next one takes a completely different approach with its advanced capabilities. Product number 2, BlueDriver Bluetooth Pro. Next up is the BlueDriver Bluetooth Pro OBD-II scan tool, priced at $129.95. This one grabbed my attention because it connects to your phone via Bluetooth, making diagnostic super convenient. If you want a professional-level tool that's easy to use, this is worth checking out. The BlueDriver is not just a code reader, it's a diagnostic powerhouse. It can read and clear ABS, SRS, and airbag codes, which is something many entry-level scanners can't do. With access to unlimited repair reports and real-time data monitoring, it's like having a mechanic in your pocket. The app also provides step-by-step repair videos, which is a game-changer if you're not exactly a car expert. Plus, it's compatible with all gas vehicles made after 1996 in North America. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Having access to professional-grade diagnostics at home means you can avoid costly trips to the mechanic. However, some users reported connectivity issues with the app, which can be frustrating. But honestly, once it's connected, it performs exceptionally well and gives you all the information you need without any extra fees. This is perfect for tech-savvy car owners who want deeper insights into their vehicle. Skip this one if you prefer a straightforward no-app solution, but for the features it offers, it's definitely worth it. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for detailed diagnostics. Product number 3, Obd2 AD600S, coming in at $195.98. We have the Obd2 AD600S. This scanner caught my eye with its impressive 9 reset services, making it a versatile option. If you want a comprehensive tool that handles various systems, this is definitely worth a serious look. The AD600S is designed for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals. It even has functions like oil reset, TPMs reset, and ABS bleeding. The large 5-inch color touchscreen is a huge plus, making it easy to read and navigate through options. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Having all these functions allows you to perform essential maintenance without needing to run to the shop every time your vehicle has an issue. That being said, some reviews mention that it doesn't work with 5G vehicles, which can be a drawback for some. But look, if your car is from 1996 or newer, you're likely to find this tool invaluable. This is perfect for DIYers who want a tool that can do it all without breaking the bank. Skip this if your car is a newer model that falls into the 5G category, but for most drivers, it offers fantastic value. Now, if the extensive features of the AD600S seem overwhelming, The next product simplifies things while still delivering solid performance. Product number 4, FOXWELL NT604 Elite. Next on our list is the FOXWELL NT604 Elite, priced at $169.99. This one stood out to me because it's user-friendly and packed with features. If you want something that's ready to use right out of the box, this is worth a serious look. The NT604 Elite covers all the major systems: ABS, SRS, engine, and transmission. What I really liked is that it comes preloaded with the latest software, so there's no waiting around to download anything. The live data streaming is excellent too, giving you real-time insights into your vehicle's performance. Plus, it supports over 60 car brands, making it a great fit for a variety of vehicles. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Being able to quickly diagnose issues without complicated setups means less hassle when your car acts up. However, some users found that it doesn't support certain advanced maintenance functions. Here's the thing though, if you're primarily interested in diagnostics rather than repairs, this scanner still delivers. This is perfect for car owners who want to identify issues quickly without the fuss of complicated setups. Skip this if you need advanced features like oil resets, but for simple diagnostics, it's a solid choice. Now, if the NT604 Elite's limitations are a concern for you, let's check out a scanner that packs in even more features without the extra complexity. Product number 5, Innova 5210. Last but not least is the Innova 5210, priced at $99.99. This one piqued my interest because it not only reads codes but also tests your car battery. If you want a multifunctional tool at an affordable price, this is definitely worth a serious look. The Innova 5210 does a bit of everything. The oil reset function is a nice touch for those who like to keep everything in check after maintenance. Plus, it's compatible with a wide range of vehicles, making it very accessible. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Being able to test your battery health along with checking diagnostic codes can save you from unexpected breakdowns. On the downside, some users reported that the coverage for ABS codes could be limited depending on the vehicle. But honestly, for the price and multiple features, it's a great entry-level scanner that gets the job done. This is perfect for budget-conscious drivers who want a scanner that can do a bit of everything. Skip this if you need a high-end scanner, but for its price point, it delivers great value. So to wrap it up, we've explored 5 impressive Obd2 scanners. The ANCEL AD310 is great for basic checks. The Blue Driver delivers advanced diagnostics on your phone. The TOPDON AD600S offers extensive reset capabilities. The FOXWELL NT604 Elite is user-friendly and packed with features, and the Innova 5210 is an affordable all-rounder. Each has its strengths, so consider what you need before making a choice.